Bye. Bye. Just want to show you these two cameras. This kaning duha camera nga akong favorite. I consider them my favorite because I keep on going back to them. Even though na nakoy A1, na nakoy FX3, na nakoy A7 V, na nakoy other cameras. I've been buying a lot of cameras, but I still go back to these cameras. These are my favorite. Let's talk about this one first. This is the A9 original, which is the original A9. So nakuha ko ni siya when I moved to Sony. I used to be with Canon. I'm a hardcore Canon person. But the thing is, we moved to Sony because nindot siya video at that time. And if I don't move to Sony, dili ko kitag trabaho. People won't be able to hire me. So I moved to Sony. Then I have a friend who was selling this camera here, which is the A9 original. The problem with this camera kay dili siya wala siya picture profile sa video. So usually naka-freelance ko video with other people and I can't work with them because the thing is kani siya good for photo only. I used to have the A7 III, which was my first camera from Canon. Hardcore Canon ko. I was from Nikon, went to Canon because I was doing videos. But now when everybody moved to Sony, I moved to Sony on the A7 III. But when I got this, I was like, wow! Nindot kaya camera, nindot kaya siyang camera, paspas kaya siya. It's still very good now. The screen is just fine. It's not perfect then, but this is a very fast camera. I really love it. I can't let it go. I have like 2 of these ones, but I have to sell. Kadang akong bigyan ang usa because I have to buy this camera that's filming us now, which is the A7 V. I had to sell it. But this one here, I'm not using it much at the moment because I'm using my A1s because I need to use my A1. I bought A1 for business, like for videos. It can shoot 8K videos and it can do photos also. Silent shutter is no way. Ever since I got this camera, ganahan ko sa silent shutter. Thing is, time passed by and I buy other cameras. I buy the A7C and I loved it. I had to sell it because I have to buy the A1. So pagpalit ako sa A1, naka-discount na ko. So I got the A7C again. And then I had to sell the A7C. Kaduha ko na pa itong A7C until I got this A7C2. So this A7C2 is one of my favorite cameras now. It's so tiny. It's so nimble. Makain ko, nindutan ng camera. Kaan kayo ba? Nindut kayo siya pag-travel. Na siya viewfinder. Na siya inyang video kay 10-bit. And it's very light. Ang ako lang di ganahan na niya is that ang ihang video. And yung video is kanang ang 4K 60 is kanang 4K 60, 4K 50 is cropped. And also ang iyang shutter kung nag-photo ka, ang iyang mechanical shutter is 1/4000 max. So kung lapas ka na init kayo, you have to move to electronic shutter. Electronic shutter is not so good. But I can live with that. Ang ako lang digid ganahan nga, pinaka-digid na ako ganahan is when I'm taking photos, ang iyang shutter is murag huyang. Dili paspas ka lang, paspas di ko ganahan di parahani nga, tak kadi siya, plak, hana ba, murag ganahan ako kubaw sa tiway. But yeah, I still love this. I can't let it go. I was trying to sell it, I can't let it go. I like it also because it's very small. Then I looked into my old camera. Ako ni balik ko ng A9 ako. Ganahan ako miton balik. I realized, ever since I got this camera, nipalit ko aning really right stuff na base plate because di ko ganahan sa Sony before. Canon mo ko nga shooter. Maglagot ko kay sakit kay kamot. Kanang gamay kay ba? Si gamay kay siya. Murag yung kaniwalay tangan ba? And then I realized now, naganahan akong gamay nga cameras. And then when I took out kaning base plate, because I usually don't shoot kung wala ni siya. I took this out, and I realized na gamay ba siya? Pare-parehong nakadakon sa A7C2. Mas mubo pa kayo siya. No. So pareho agad sila ba? Only thing, nasa lang siya viewfinder. And I realized na, nindot hindi ay. And then, ako din siyang nag-lens. Kung, nindot, gawin na ako 35 1.8 or 35 1.4 or kanang may nga lens. Nakoy Sigma 2870 2.8. I think this is still a very good camera. I'll try it in one of my events soon. Pero I realized na, pwede mo na ni gamay. Nindot sa shutter ba? I didn't realize because I've been using this kung hunan ako gamay camera. Kanigid akong gidahuna. But lately also, I've been using this kanang A7C2 as my photo walk camera. So ako nang gamitan siya kusen takuban. Ako siyang gigamitan og kaning old school na 28 f2. Old na lens siya, hinay mo focus, pero nindot siya kay mura siya Leica. Wala baterya. Mura siya Leica. Ang Leica Q, di ba? 28mm 2.8 f2. Wala ko gano'n na. Wait lang ko. So ang Leica Q is kadang kuan siya 28mm f2. Muna siya nga lens, and then kani siya 28 f2. Ako na lang siya think nga na ko yung Leica Q. Okay, mahal mo kayong Leica Q. So third party ako gamit. Small rig para cool. Anyway, sa tanawa wala siya. So better kayo. I've checked and kula. Nindot mo din nga setup dahil niya pang photo walk ba. So yeah, this is my go-to photo walk lens and photo walk camera. Although it's slow, I really want to use it. This is my mugin akong ganahan. I was trying to use this camera here as my main camera, kining A7C2, pero I always come back to this. It's because it's very light. Sa una, mag-shoot ko vlog, gamit ka tong 1DX Mark II sa Canon, and it's a very big camera. It's very heavy. But this one here, it's so gaan. It's so gaan. Gaan yung siya. So that's why I keep on going back to this. Though I still love this one because paspas siya kuan, nasa silent shutter, paspas siya. I realize now nga gamay siya. So I'm gonna try to use this more. But yeah, I'm just trying to show you na this old camera is still gold. It's way back 2018 or before that. This camera is my favorite, even though I have the A1, I have the FX3, and I have the A7C2. So, grabe akong hoarding sa. Pero, yeah, muna siya. Wala ko kabawon sa point ng video. I just want to show you my thoughts about my cameras. Ang A9 original is still very good. Until now, it's still very good. Limitations niya is just the card. Hinay ihang card, but it's still good. Ihang LCD di kay nindot, but it's still a very good camera. I still I can shoot a full wedding without even stressing kung kaya akong gamiton. I just sold one. I kind of miss my other camera, and I'm just telling you, this is my all-around travel, not for work but travel. Kanang makarelax ko. Dili ko rush, dili ko kinahanglan mag-shoot og paspas. I can do it kung paspas, but the thing is, ang yung shutter mo kung slagi kanang ragnay shutter lag. But yeah, just my thoughts about my cameras. And if you have any questions about these cameras here, if you're buying kanang karaan nga camera or anything nga baligig barato sa inyo ha. If you want to ask questions, just comment below and I'll see what I can do. And yeah, also wala ko gi-sponsor ani nila ha. If I was sponsored, woo nindot, but I'm not sponsored anyway. I don't script out these videos, so munang daghan kog sayop. And yeah, that's it. Bye.